welcome back to another episode. I'm trying to get lighting here. Yeah, as you can tell, we're at the car wash. We're gonna go to the junkyard and get some stuff. Spare tire, the UBD port, OBD2, not UBD. And then what else? The cap for the brake reservoir. Yeah, it's pretty cool though, right? Fancy. Yeah, we'll get her washed up and head out and see what we find. Let's go. We just found this one right now, and as you can see, where the hell is it? You see that? That's the OBD2 sensor I've been looking. Mine obviously doesn't have it, so I'll see what I can do to get this one out of here and see what else we can find. Didn't know what the gauge cluster looked like. There you go. Yeah, that's it right there. I got the damn thing. Showed my ass off. It was right in there like that. Had to break part of it off. But yeah. I got it. So we're good. So here's the problem. It's right there. I get it, but the whole thing turns. I can't get the whole thing out. Let me see that. Yeah, this one right here. I can't take it out because the whole thing turns together, and I don't have another wrench to hold this side while I turn this one. So I guess I'll come back some other day. Damn it. I did forget to mention that the OBD2 scanner, the ports, I was looking in the car to see if where I could plug it into the wires that were loose and stuff, but turns out I do have one, so I didn't need that, so that went to the trash. There goes $2. Could have been a monster or something, but oh well. Now I know. So check it out. We got a spare tire, full size. It's a 16, even though I have 17s, but it should be fine. It still fits. Hopefully it's still the 5x114. Hopefully, fingers crossed. We'll try it later. And I did get the cap for the brakes. And that should do it for today's episode. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the other videos.